Hey guys, welcome to ABC Cooking, where I'm going to show you the recipes I've learned growing up as an American-born Chinese. Today, we're making snow peas with shrimp. This side dish is super easy to make, and most of the work that you have to do is the prep work. Okay, so let's start off with preparing the snow peas. Snow peas have fibrous strands that run across the top and bottom. We need to remove these unless you want a mouthful of hard, unappetizing strings. These strings are easy to remove. All you have to do is pinch the corner of the snow pea and then pull the string all the way across and off. The older your snow peas are, the thicker and tougher these strands will be. So if you know you're working with older snow peas, you definitely don't want to skip this step. When you're finished destringing the snow peas, just wash and drain them. Next, we need to prepare the shrimp by shelling and deveining them. I find it easiest to shell the shrimp by starting with the legs. And then most people tend to throw away the very end of the tails of the shrimp, but I like to keep those. So to detach the shell from the tail of the shrimp, just pinch the very edge of the shrimp tail and then tug on the shrimp until the tail pops out. Once the shrimp are shelled, we have to devein them. Shrimp have something called a sand vein that run along their back and stomachs. This sand vein is really their intestinal tract, so it includes their poop. And we don't want to eat shrimp poop, so we have to get rid of this sand vein. To remove the sand vein, just make a shallow cut along the back of the shrimp and then pull the sand vein out. Lobsters and crawfish also have sand veins. The sand veins on the stomach of the shrimps are usually smaller and not noticeable, but if you want, you can make a shallow cut in the stomach and remove that sand vein too. Sometimes shrimp don't have anything in their intestinal tract, but you'd rather be safe than sorry. Once your shrimp are shelled and deveined, wash them and dry them off. Then, set a pan on medium-high heat and add some oil. When the oil just starts to smoke, add your shrimp and spread it out into an even layer. Add some salt and pepper and then let the shrimp sit until it's about halfway cooked. It only takes me a couple minutes for this size shrimp in my stove. Once they're halfway cooked, flip the shrimp over, add some more salt and pepper, and then let them sit and finish off cooking. If you prefer, you can just stir fry them instead of flipping them one by one. I prefer doing it this way because it gives them some more color and flavor. Once the shrimp are done cooking, remove them from your pan, and then add your snow peas. Add some salt and stir fry the snow peas until they all just start to turn a vibrant green. You don't want the snow peas to be completely cooked through at this point. You want them to be at about 90% done. Sorry for the sunbeams shining down. The sun was setting when I was filming. I'll try to use my big head to block the beams. Add your shrimp back on top of the snow peas, and then add a mixture of cornstarch and chicken broth to make a quick sauce. Continue stirring and cooking until the sauce has thickened up. This thick sauce will stick to the snow peas and shrimp and make them glisten and look more appealing. Remove the snow peas and shrimp to a plate and enjoy! The snow peas are completely cooked through, but they should still be nice and crunchy. And of course the shrimp is good too. It's nice and juicy and tender. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you follow me, cooking can be easy as ABC. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!